A pre-owned 2017 Audi A4 2.0 T Ultra Premium. 2017 Audi A4 2.0 T Ultra Premium. Luxury meets efficiency in brilliant black. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and a 7-speed double-clutch transmission. This Audi has less than 99,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 27 miles per gallon in the city and 37 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Turn heads in this 2017 Audi A4 2.0 T Ultra Premium, finished in stunning brilliant black. Powered by a turbocharged 2.0 i4 engine producing 190 horsepower and 236 lb-ft of torque, it delivers a perfect balance of performance and efficiency. Inside, you'll find premium black leather seating, Audi's MMI infotainment system, premium audio, and a thoughtfully designed cabin built for comfort and convenience. With under 99,000 miles, averaging less than 10,000 miles per year, this A4 has been gently driven and well maintained. Enjoy impressive fuel economy rated at 27 miles per gallon city and 37 miles per gallon highway, making every commute more affordable. Backed by a clean Carfax report and presented in excellent overall condition, this Audi offers luxury, style, and reliability in one sleek package. Don't miss your chance to own this sophisticated sports sedan. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.